Hello, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram, 24K on Twitter, and 24K_lifestyle on TikTok. Today we're showing MOOGII Tools 6-inch heavy-duty caster wheels. They can handle up to 2,800 pounds with the 4 wheels. They have a 360 design right here, so this can spin 360. There's also a double locking mechanism right here on every wheel. So what it does, it will lock in the caster wheel and it will lock in the swivel at the same time. So this is one of the few that does that. And what's great about this wheel is it has a double set of internal structure with the bearings, and they're completely silent. They're going pretty fast. They won't tear up your laminate floor, they won't tear up your wood floor or your carpet, whereas a lot of the smaller caster wheels will tear up a carpet pretty quickly. So these will not do that. They can handle, again, 2,800 pounds when put together, all 4. They come with a set of screws, and you can do this for platform pieces. You can add them to your furniture or even a workbench. I like the idea of taking the small caster wheels off of a toolbox and adding these in there. They're 6 inches right here, but this is the only part that moves on the outside, and in here is the braking piece right here. So you just push down and it locks again the swivel part and the caster part. So they have these available from the MOOGII Tools right there, and you get 4 in the kit, and they are about $60 right now on Amazon. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments, and of course, thumbs up.